Yo, what is up, guys? Camilo here again, bringing you to our end of the market update for this Thursday, August the 19th of 2021. I hope you guys are well. Hope that today's session was pretty informative and our last night's video was pretty helpful to you guys in outlining what our outlooks are going to be here on out. So if you're new to the channel, welcome, subscribe, click the like button and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload these videos and you don't miss a thing. Okay, also don't forget to check out our Discord group. Okay, the link will be pinned down in the comment section. Okay, again, if you recall last night, okay, we talked about the possibilities of two scenarios. Number one is that we have basically or damn near topped out in the market. All right, and you know that was mainly because of 5 reasons that have been occurring. Okay, I outlined them yesterday. I told you guys what they were, my thought behind them, and those were the reasons why I thought that the market, or not that I thought, but my interpretation, that we are nearing a top or perhaps already at the top. Okay, now interpretation number 2 is that we shake off the Fed tapering talks, okay, and we have found support. We found support at the 50-day simple moving average that I mentioned to you guys yesterday. Okay, and we are very well on our way to new highs. So yesterday's let me see real quick. Yesterday's chart that I mentioned to you guys was showing this, right? Showing that we're gonna continue on lower. We're gonna fail to break the 50-day simple moving average, and we're going to start making an ABC zigzag in the wave 2 of the primary degree, or perhaps there's just a little bit more of a push on up before we start selling off. But you know that on its own is not yet determined. Okay, we want to see a break below the 50-day simple moving average. We want to see maybe a back test of it and then fail and then head on lower. But yet this is going to be in our back pocket just for us to understand what it means if we start failing on those levels. All right, so for you guys on YouTube, just make sure that you guys are aware of this situation, because if in fact we are going to start hearing more news of shutdowns, not shutdowns, but perhaps, you know, in fact, this morning there was a news article that Singapore was going to quarantine travelers from different countries. Okay, and so we're starting to see a little bit of that fear coming back in regards to the variant. Now, in regards to the Middle East, more tensions, escalations, and what have you, and in regards to the Fed tapering talk. So there's a lot of things going on. All right, just keep in mind and just stay ahead of the game. So our preferred interpretation suggests that we're still within a wave 3 of the intermediate degree, and actually at the minor degree and of the intermediate degree. Okay, and that we're just pulling back, retest the 200 simple moving average, and then we head on higher. But in fact, okay, this is our line in the sand. If we maintain north of this invalidation level, I'm just gonna call it here wave count invalidation. Okay, if we maintain north, then this count is what we're looking for. But if we break south of it, then invalidation will trigger it, and perhaps we're going to consider the alternate count. But for now, this is where we're going to operate under. So moving down to the 1 hour time frame, this is what we're looking for. Okay, so off the July 19th low of the wave 4 of the minute degree, okay, we held a 38.2% retracement support. Let me hide these guys for you. And we went up in 1. Now ABC pullback into the wave 2. Let me do this here. Perhaps it's easier to understand. A, B, and C found support at the 50% retracement support. We found support at the previous highs here, right at the gap close, and we're just now bouncing off of those levels, which was pretty nice today, considering, right? We closed the gap right here. Back in, let's see, back on July the 22nd, we'll damn near close it, not precisely it, but, and then we found support. Now, otherwise, if this is not it, right, if this is just A, we're moving back up in B, and then we're heading lower into the wave C. Now, where would these levels be? So let's draw some fib zones here and understand where this could possibly fall. So if this is, please excuse the noise in the background. If this is wave A, okay, we take our retracement tool, and we're looking for the 50% at the very least. Okay, so we may have a little bit more highs left, maybe just maybe the 441.50, or even so the 618 may come at play. So there's that zone of clustering for us to look for in case this is the wave B and then we head on lower. But should this not be the wave B and wave A actually just completed, sorry, wave A, B, C, wave C completed here, and then the wave 2 is at play or completed, then we're heading on higher towards the $460 region of in the SPY. All right, guys, so keep in mind these levels, okay, the 50%, keep in mind the 435, keep in mind the 437, and keep in mind where was it again? Let's take a look here. The $441 region. All right, over to the Qs. The Qs is working out perfectly as we expected it. We found support the 1272. We're still looking at this actually over to the daily time frame, just like in the SPY. Okay, the SPY, we held support at the 200%, sorry, at the 50-day simple moving average. Okay, we're holding their support. We're not breaking below it just yet. Let me turn this off, back down to the 1 hour time frame. The pattern follows is this, right? So down in A, up in B, down in C, 1272, and now we should be heading on higher should the SPY continue. Okay, now over to the SMH. The SMH, I'm still viewing this as, you know, just a little bit further downside to go. Maybe the 23.6% retracement support is support area here. Actually, let me turn this into the green color. Okay, now maybe this is already the wave C and the wave 2 pullback, and we're heading on higher. But otherwise, if we continue on lower, then look for the 38.2 to the 50%, which is just a little bit more further down, about 4% pullback. But I don't know, we'll see what happens in the SPY and the Qs. IWM, we're gonna revisit this count. IWM is looking like it wants to break below the previous low here and then validate this interpretation. If this happens, let me delete this for us real quick. Then wave 4 is still ongoing, and this is just an A, B, and C, and then we head on higher. So for now, we're just gonna wait to see if we break below 208 or 99 or 209, and that's it. So pretty good session out of the SPY today, to be honest. Okay, we had a good bounce. We took advantage of it in the Discord group, and we're just gonna wait and see to potentially break above these levels and call this the wave 2 bottom. Otherwise, we head on lower and we're going to wait. But like I mentioned to you guys, wave count and validation, will come in at 423.07, which is the break above the wave 1. All right, guys, so that's it for me today. I hope this was interesting, and if you guys like the video, leave a comment down in the comment section below. The link to the Discord group will be pinned in the comment section. As always, I do appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.